ALEC at Bessemer is an economic development tool that's fundamentally designed to bridge the rural education gap. What we're trying to do is bring the educational mission of the college with our expertise in critical and creative thinking and bring technical, affordable education pathways to our community. How ALEC's coursework differs greatly from any other type of technical education is that a student can come in here and take one course that could be transformational towards their future. Or they can take a group of 5 or 6 courses that are bundled as micro-credentials that represent a defined skill set that has been laid out by our industry partners. Companies and organizations in Northwest Pennsylvania can benefit by sending their people to ALEC at Bessemer for upskilling and training opportunities using our state-of-the-art equipment and technologies. From CNC on our DMU-50 to our additive training cells behind us and our automation and robotics technologies, we're investing enormously in state-of-the-art technology that represents where the industry is and where it's going. We benefit massively from our advanced manufacturing community around us. We've partnered with them in designating and designing every single course that we're offering. Industry partners are really at the helm of ALEC at Bessemer and help us ensure that everything that we teach in here represents state of the industry and state of the future of the industry.